Hello, this is Jane in Reviews, and let me tell you why these joggers are the best in my closet so far. So this was a free sample provided by Baliv. So they are a black pair of joggers, and they are also great for hiking. They are great for outdoor sports. They're great for running. And I just love them because look, they have all these pockets that are so comfortable, and not only comfortable, but they're very stylish. So you see here, you can put here some coins, your keys, and you won't be afraid of losing them. Also, there's one in the back, which is very spacious for a phone or a wallet. I also, what I like about this is they feel like a second skin. They're very soft, and for one of those days that is very steamy outside, the sweat is not going to stick to the legs, so you can run errands, just uh, go around the house or practice some sports and be super comfortable. I like the colors, and I just love these joggers. I hope you check them out, and thank you for watching.